Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand how to view imported bank data in TallyPrime. You will also understand how you can use the report to get an overview about reconciliation. Using the imported bank data report, you get a clear view of the transactions imported from your bank statements. Let's view the report. Press Alt-G. Type or select imported bank data and press Enter. Select the bank ledger and press Enter. You get to see a summary of daily transactions with account and amount corresponding to the deposit and withdrawal along with the closing balance. If you are using connected banking services for your bank account, you can view the available balance as per bank. Press F12 and enable the option. The report displays the balance as per the bank. You can view this report as a monthly summary of the imported bank data. To view transaction amounts of the corresponding months, press F6. Press Alt F6 and you can view transaction amounts of the corresponding quarters. To view the summary of reconciled and unreconciled transactions with the respective count and amount, press F5. To view the transactions, you can drill down from a row in the summary. You can see the transactions imported from the bank statements with the narration, instrument date, instrument number, and amount. Moreover, you can see the reconciliation status and identify the transactions pending to be reconciled. If there are transactions linked to those available in the books, then you can view such transactions. Press F12 and set the format of report as detailed. Press Ctrl-A to save the configuration. You can now see the linked transactions. If you want to include or exclude transactions with certain reconciliation status in the report, then press Ctrl+B and set the options as yes or no as needed. If a transaction is available only in the bank, then you can create one or multiple vouchers as needed. You can also create a consolidated voucher out of multiple bank transactions. To know more, you can watch our video, How to Create Vouchers from Bank Statement in TallyPrime. The link is in the description. This report gives you the facility to reconcile your bank transactions. You can find matches in books or even modify the matches for reconciled or partially reconciled bank transactions. To do so, you can select a transaction and press F8. You can also view potential matches or unlink a book transaction from a bank transaction as needed. To know more, you can watch our video, How to Reconcile Book Transactions with Bank Transactions in TallyPrime. What's more, you can reconcile a transaction manually by setting its status. Press F9. Select the relevant status and press Enter. As you saw, the imported bank data report not only helps you view the transactions imported to TallyPrime, it also helps you reconcile them. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.